In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to add a standard report to management reports in QuickBooks Online. If you regularly share financials with your team or stakeholders, management reports help you bundle key reports into a polished, repeatable package. The process for adding a standard report to that package is quick, and I'll walk you through it from the Reports area in QuickBooks Online. Start by opening Reports and Analytics. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is your hub for everything reporting related, and it's where QuickBooks organizes the tools you'll use today. If your layout looks a little different, that's usually due to user permissions or an updated interface, but the option will still be labeled Reports and Analytics. Next, choose Standard Reports. Standard reports are the built-in, ready-to-use reports that come with QuickBooks Online, such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and sales by product service. This section is ideal because these reports follow consistent formats that work well inside management reports and are familiar to most reviewers. Now, locate the report you want to add. You can scroll through categories, use the search bar to jump straight to the name, or sort the list to bring your most used reports to the top. If you're unsure which one you need, hover over the names to see brief descriptions and pick the version that best fits your purpose. Keep in mind that date ranges, accounting method, and layout options can be adjusted later when you're preparing the full management package, so focus on selecting the right report type here. When you've found the report, look for the three-dot menu beside it. This icon is sometimes called More Options and sits at the end of the row. Clicking it reveals actions specific to that report, so you can quickly manage how it's used across QuickBooks. From that menu, click Add to Management Reports. QuickBooks adds the report to your Management Reports collection, so it becomes available whenever you build or refresh a management report pack. Adding the report here doesn't change its underlying data or settings. It simply flags it for inclusion in your management set. Your numbers will reflect the latest data at the time you generate the pack, and you'll have a consistent, professional set every period. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Confirm you have the right report variant if there are similar names, and make sure you have permission to access management reports if the option doesn't appear. If you work across multiple companies, check that you're in the correct company file before adding. Small details like these help avoid last-minute surprises before a review meeting. That's how to add a standard report to management reports in QuickBooks Online.